planting po ay kasali po sa pinaggastusan ng confidential fund.
Mhm.
Before po gawin ang tree planting, ang aming security officer, Your Honor, mag-conduct po sila ng surveillance, Your Honor.
Yes,
Kung
ma'am.
safe ba?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Tama po, tama po.
kanang
Mm-mm.
action, Your Honor, part na sa
Okay.
confidential fund, Your
So
Honor.
sinasabi nyo, importante yung confidential funds para masigurado yung security ng Vice President. Tama po ba?
Mo plant dito sa
Hindi po ba noong August 13, ilang araw pa lang yung nakakaraan, 2026, yung Vice President nag-tree planting activity in Masibay Integrated School in Nunungan, Lanao del Norte, as can be shown in these news reports. Tanong, 2026. Ito yung tanong now. May confidential funds ba yung Office of the Vice President sa taong ito, 2026?
wala po, Your
Okay,
Honor.
wala. And despite that, despite the absence of confidential funds, nakapag-tree planting with God's blessing, nakapag-tree planting yung Vice President, nagligtas ng walang untoward incident. Tama po ba?
Irrelevant, Your Honor.
That's very much relevant, Your Honor. If I may, I can explain that.
It's part of the liquidation report of the confidential funds, Council. Why is it irrelevant?
This is for 2026, Your Honor. The question pertains to an activity in 2026, Your Honor, which is not covered by the articles of impeachment, Your Honor.
This is 2026, Council?
Yes, Your Honor. 2026, the point is, there was no confidential funds allocated and the Vice President was able to conduct one. Sinasabi ng, if I may, Your Honor.
I get your point, Council.
Yes.
I think Council was able to explain Attorney Linden. Yes, witness may answer. Ang punto lamang naman, Attorney Ligutan, correct me if I'm wrong, is kasama sa confidential funds na pinang-liquidate nila, yung tree planting, di umano, libreng sakay, yung mga enumeration nila, bagaman hindi ito sa cloud ng taong sakop ng impeachment, gusto mo lang patunayan na nagawa pa rin to kahit walang confidential funds.
Crystal clear. Yes, sir.
Yes, witness will answer if she knows, because she's the SDO for the confidential funds.
Hindi ko alam, Your Honor.
Hindi mo alam. Hindi mo alam.